When tragedy strikes for the first time, we somehow learn to cope with it. When tragedy strikes a second time, we are devastated and we struggle to understand why did this happen to me. But when tragedy strikes a third time, we are often destroyed. This is a story about a man who has faced a terrible tragedy a third time and is still pressing on in life, hoping, believing and praying for life to get better. Manoharan lives with his wife and 4 children in Sri Lanka. His 3 sons are struck with a genetic disorder that leaves them paralyzed and wheelchair bound for the rest of their life. Manoharan works as a constable for the local police. After work he pushes his older son in a wheelchair, begging for money to buy medicines. At birth the 3 boys were as normal as any other child. But as they reach the age of 7, the genetic disorder becomes active. At first it gets difficult for the child to get out of bed, stand straight or walk a short distance. This disorder eventually leaves the child to be disabled and wheelchair bound for the rest of their life. However, things get more difficult for Manoharan and his 3 boys when it rains. Only half of the house has a roof. This house, that is the size of 2 standard bedrooms, gets flooded. Not only by the rain that falls directly into the house, but also by the drains and sewerage tanks that overflow in this forgotten part of the world.